Meaning of genitals.
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 Genitals. The term genitals refers to the reproductive organs of an organism, including the external and internal genitals. In humans, the male genitalia include the penis, testes, scrotum, and associated structures, while the female genitalia consist of the vulva, clitoris, vaginas, uterus, fallopian tubes, and ovaries. The primary function of the genitals is to facilitate sexual reproduction. They are also involved in sexual pleasure and play a significant role in gender identity. Proper care for the genitals is essential for maintaining good overall health and preventing infections and diseases.